Another feature on the Decide screen is the marketing plan. And so this is a little unique in the fact that it's not really a decision. All it is a calculator that helps you determine your demand and estimate production. Okay, so quirk with it is you can't use it until you've made all your brand portfolio, marketing mix, and commercial team, and maybe even market research study decisions. Okay, so once you've made all those decisions, then what you'll need to do is then click on Marketing Plan. And let me just go back. Before you make all those decisions, this will be gray. But once you have made all those decisions and now the marketing plan is available, it turns orange. And if you click on it, basically all it's going to do is it's going to tell you, it's going to take segment size numbers, multiply it by market share numbers to give you estimated demand. Okay? And so this first screen here gives us the market or the segment sizes. Okay, so the simulation gives you estimated numbers as to how big the segments are. Okay, so you should always click Copy Market Forecast Data. You're making decisions for the next period, so last period's data doesn't really hold any value for you. So click on Copy Market Forecast Data, and it's going to automatically populate the information that you find on the market report. Okay, and then you click Next. Okay, and now here we have estimated market share for each of your brands in each of the segments. Okay, so here you have to make some educated guesses. Okay, and this is the challenge of this. Okay, this is not an exact science here. So if you, for example, if you look at Soft, you'll see that Soft has 80% of the Savers, or had 80% of the Savers market last period, and you feel like you've done some things to enhance that even further. You may say, okay, well, given what we're doing, the money we're spending, we expect that market share will probably go up by a few points. So what you can do is you can go here and you can put 83 in there. Okay, same thing for Solo with the shoppers. We feel like we're going to move this up a little bit because of our good decisions that we're making, and so you put the number there. Okay, and then Soul is even more of a challenge. If you watch the R&D video, this is a brand we put. I'm sorry, the portfolio video. This is a brand we put together just to kind of show how the portfolio works. Okay, so here all you're going to do is estimate market share for whatever brand or segment you are targeting. I believe we said Explorers. Because brand new brands are unknown in the marketplace, initial market share usually isn't that great. So, but we're still going to estimate something. So I'll say, yeah, we're going to capture about 10%, something like that. Okay. So once you have these market share numbers updated in a way you think is rational, click on Next. And then here you'll see basically estimated demand for each of the brands. Okay, so this helps you determine how many to order. So don't get bogged down with this marketing plan because, again, it's just an educated guess. It's not exact. It's not perfect. So you'll have to make some calculations and some kind of leaps of faith here. But just know that it does help you along those lines. But again, it's just a calculator. It's not a decision of any sort, and you don't have to use it if you don't want to. Okay. Once you click to the next page, there's kind of a brand contribution summary. If you see numbers in red, that means that based on estimates, you didn't produce enough units. Okay, or you produced too many units. Just really depends on the situation. Okay, and so if you see red, you probably want to go back and adjust. Okay.